Chiropractor knows exactly what he's doing.
It's all downhill.
Watch how he lines up the
Really
adjustment
sink it down
and
from-
boom! Those cracks are
That was really
loud.
good.
Oh my gosh.
Every pop is realigning her spine and releasing built-up tension. You can
Just let it
literally
go.
hear the
Just
relief.
let it roll.
Oh,
Let it roll.
oh my god.
Yeah, it's right there. That's good. It's perfect. Does that hurt when I press on that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I just let it fall in my hand.
What?
That was
Oh,
ow.
this is crazy. Oh my god.